Ibon, thank you for being with me. You subscribed to my channel, you shared, you liked my videos and you commented, and those things supported me and encouraged me to share with you more. So once again, thank you for being with me. For past 2 months, I've been sharing videos on Dream Stage and I ended the season 1 on last Saturday. Some of you may not know what is this Dream Stage, what I did, how I did these things. So today I thought I'll explain how I did these videos and what's behind this. And also I'm going to share with you my next step in Shashi on Lights. So watch till the end. So guys, Dream Stage is a graphically designed stage. So nowadays we don't have live events or live concerts. So I thought maybe this will be a good opportunity for me to learn and try new things, as well as give you guys opportunity to enjoy and also for you to learn. So that's why I designed the Dream Stage. So the Dream Stage I designed on Capture Visualizer student version. This is a simulation software that we can simulate stages and especially lighting. So this Dream Stage is actually looks like a stage. So I designed the actual stage that I planned and I place actual fixtures in the stage. So it's like a true concert. I have placed so many fixtures in this. You can see this plan. So I'll enlarge this. See, this is the stage that I can see from front. And this is the top view. You can see this is the audience. And you can see this is the real view of the stage. So this was all designed in Capture Visualizer. So after I place all the lighting fixtures in Capture Visualizer, like we do in real stage, and address them, then I go to Avolites Titan PC Suite. I got Avolites T2, I have mentioned it earlier. This only gives options to output to universe. So I had to use Avolites Simulator. And also this Capture Visualizer is also a student version. This doesn't give the full capability of the software, it's limited. So I tried my best with the limited options. And also the Avolites Titan PC Suite, the only limitation is the universe. So I used our Titan's PC Suite simulator to output more universes to control this whole rig. And I used more than 10 universes. So because of this is a simulator of Avolites Titan PC Suite, it sends a DMS glitch like between a 3 minute. So that's why I have shown all my main videos that I have shared on Saturdays to less than 3 minutes. In Avolites Titan PC Suite, I patch my all fixtures, and this is where I make all my cues. So this is the timeline that you're seeing that I made for Manikia Magihite, the cover song of Yohani. So as you can see, these colors, these are cues, all cues. Also, you can see the camera angles are also changing. So camera angles also I'm triggering from here. You can see these blue lines are the camera angle triggers. And these are cues, lighting cues. And also I cue the video. The video part is played by Resolume VJ software. How I'm playing or syncing together is through timecode. So this laptop plays the audio as well as timecode. While playing the audio, it sends timecode to Titan PC Suite. For example, if there's a snare shot, I make a cue for that snare shot and I place it, or I can record it to that snare shot for the timecode. So when I play once again from the beginning, it plays at the right moment. So that's how I time coded all light shows. So that means you can see for 3 minutes I have to work maybe for a day to do all the programming and to record it, and then I have to render from the Capture Visualizer software, and then I upload to the YouTube. So guys, this is the rough idea of the Dream Stage Season 1 that I did. My next step is Season 2. I'm building up a new stage, so keep in touch. I hope it will be a new experience for you. Also guys, I would like to hear from you your opinions, your ideas about Dream Stage Season 1, and also if you like to see something new and your ideas to see on Dream Stage Season 2. I have to remember the owners, the artists of all the songs that I did in Dream Stage Season 1, artists, bands, because of their songs, beautiful songs, musical creation, their talent, I got the chance to do beautiful lighting shows for you to enjoy. So keep in touch for the Season 2 on Dream Stage. And as I said, don't forget to comment. And I'm trying my best to make the magic happen with lighting. Keep in touch and keep learning every day. God bless you.